What's up, everybody? So I wanted to share my haul from TumblerCon, and I'm gonna try to make this under 5 minutes, but I want to go through everything that we got at TumblerCon from Steel Magnolia Company. That's their company here. We got this beautiful backpack filled with all of these supplies, also a carrying case for our tumblers, and I'll label all the sponsors in the description below, but from what I've found, we have Crystal from Glitter and Shine. She gave us all these nice pieces that I did use in some of my cups, and we traded cards with a lot of people, and we have some other pieces that were sponsored by Britches and Bows, and then a few other companies in this packet had some cute things. And so in the kit we got the embosser, I think it's embosser heater, a little heat gun to help some things. We got the fast set A and B from Counterculture, yes, Counterculture DIY, along with their stick tight and quick coat that I was able to use on the Hydro Dip cup. And so let's start first. What did I do first? I think this one was first, and that's a glitter ombre, and then we put some mica powder over it to give it some clouds from my friend Julia that taught me how to do that. And then I think next we did the water slide, so that's a laser print water slide. We even threw in some little Texas glitters from Crystal at Glitter and Shine. That was fun. And then we did the fabric cup. So they gave us a piece of fabric, but I chose to use my TumblerCon t-shirt and figured out how to embed that into the epoxy. That's probably my favorite process that I learned. And the second favorite would probably be this one, the Gio Cup. So it was done with the fluorescent glitters first, and then we did the chunky glitter on the feature piece, and then spray painted it black, then spray painted it white, and then used the acetone to wipe away the areas. And then I added some more of this mirrored glitter, again from our friend Crystal over at Glitter and Shine. And I didn't get to take the alcohol daubing class or technique class. We had all these little daubers or dabbers, and so I get to use those at some point. And they even provided us with a tumbler machine, a turner, and it had all these nice foams. I didn't find anything sliding or falling off as we used them for the 4 days. Let's see, our other cup the next day was another ombre, but it was using spray paint and then one kind of glitter to coat the whole thing, and that was super fun because it was even different from this guy. And then the Milky Way was awesome. It was like 3 shades of glitter, epoxied, and then we learned how to use the other mica powders and float those on top. So that was really cool. I found the crackle very challenging, so I kind of just threw some glitter on top of that. And what else? We have all these supplies that were provided. We got a really cool jacket here with some lint on it, and an apron, of course, to keep our messes intact. And then my new friend who made this for me, I'll put her info below, Catherine, Kathleen Evely, I believe is her last name, and this has so many cool layers. It is really beautiful. And then she gave me some little gifts inside. I got a little mermaid straw holder, and also I actually found out that I got some of the Mr. Nola's kaleidoscope. That was this big sellout piece at the show. Everyone bought them out, I think twice. So I was super excited to find out that I got some kaleidoscope in my gift from Kathy, and I just love those colors. So thank you so much for that. And so we have all of the, we also got this little adapter that fits into the smaller mugs like this guy. And okay, so I was able to find the name. So Truly D Vinyl is their company name, and they made these custom fit pieces, adapters to fit into the, they actually screw in to the tumblers, which is really cool. Makes a super nice fit, and you don't even need the foam, so that was fun to use, so thank you to them. And yeah, I'm super excited about my turner. I hope I find time the next year to use all this up again. And then also got some little work mats there. And the rest of it, we got some cool brushes and tweezers and markers. That was for a different Gio class that I didn't get to take, but I think I can get the tutorial and take that. And then I was able to purchase a few things from Mr. Nola, and I got some really pretty colors and some little spoons and tools. And then our friends over at What the Glitter, I got these fun colors. There were 3 other glitter vendors, but it was so busy with sales we did not have time to even make it near them, so I've got all their cards, and I still will be shopping even though boss Susie says I can't. She's not the boss of me. Oh wait, she's the boss. Okay, anyway, so that was my haul at TumblerCon 2020 in Dallas, Texas, and I look forward to seeing all you guys next year. I hope I can make it there again and make a lot more friends, and awesome. Thank you guys so much. Bye.